How to fix Instagram camera zoom problem on iPhone. Whether you're taking stories, reels, or sending messages, here's how to fix the Instagram camera zoom problem. First, completely close the Instagram app and reopen it. Temporary app glitches can sometimes cause the camera to zoom in unexpectedly. Next, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon on the top right corner and check if there's an update available for Instagram. Installing the latest version can fix known camera bugs. Now, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Instagram and make sure camera permission is enabled. If the issue only happens with the front or rear camera, open the iPhone's Camera app and check whether the camera works normally. If it does, the problem is likely with Instagram rather than your iPhone. You can also restart your iPhone to refresh system processes. If the problem still isn't fixed, uninstall Instagram. Reinstall it from the App Store. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Then search for Instagram and tap on it. Then reinstall the app and sign in again. Before reinstalling, make sure you know your login credentials. That's it. These steps should help fix the Instagram camera zoom issue on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips, iPhone tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.